Hey everybody, so a lot of Thai people have a problem with pronouncing is and it. So we are going to look at this a little bit. First word is spelled I-S. First, the S actually sounds like a Z. So if you listen to a native speaker, we don't say is, we say is. And right now, if you cannot make the Z sound, that's fine. We'll talk about that in a different video. But the important thing is that IS has a long sound on the end. Is. And it does not have a long sound. IT will be it. IS is. IT, it. So, if we want to ask, is it spicy? Is it spicy? Is it spicy? However, for me, I am American. I don't usually say it. I say it. Just put your tongue up and stop the air. It. British people will do more tongue up, down. It. But for American people, at least for me, I usually it. No long sound and no air, just it. British people and some American people, or me when I speak very clearly, it. But if I speak naturally, it. So, is it spicy? Yes, it is. So try repeating after me. Is. So that's IS. Now, IT, it. Now, is it, IS, IT, is it spicy? Is it spicy? Answer, yes, it is. Try again, repeating after me. Yes, it, and it, stop. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, just one more time. Is. It is has a longer sound. It stops.